Hi guys, good afternoon. My name is Suraj Pandey. I'm the co-founder for Bilivin Education, and so basically this discussion was all about getting golden homes in a picture. Basically, and of course, my review for them is very good. I would definitely recommend to work with Nilesh and his team. In terms of timeline, so basically this is our new office which basically we have been shooting for, and we had a very crunch timeline of 20 days where we wanted to just design the complete 3D setup, and then basis the design we wanted to create our new office. Nilesh and team has helped us, you can say, in a very, I would say, in a very well way. We have you as of course in the video and the images you can see the office how beautifully they have made. Very much satisfied with their work. Definitely recommended, and of course his work was also being referred by one of my friend where he created a video, basically the office setup which he had done for my friend. So yeah, I mean, anything in terms of interior work you require, I would suggest to connect with Golden Homes. Thank you.